Sometimes the greatest gifts don't come wrapped in paper or tied with a bow. Sometimes the most meaningful gift is hope. A helping hands for cruising, we believe everyone deserves a chance to breathe again, to feel joy, to experience life beyond the challenges they face every single day. For individuals living with disabilities, caregivers who have never get a break, and families carrying heavy burdens, a cruise isn't just a vacation, it's healing, it's connection, it's freedom. Your donation helps turns exhaustion into relief, isolation into friendship, and hard seasons into moments of peace and joy. When you give, you're not just funding a trip, you're restoring dignity, creating memories, and reminding someone that they are seen and valued and not alone. Today, we invite you to give the gift that truly lasts, a gift of compassion, inclusion, and hope. Together, we can change lives, one journey at a time.